Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I usually upload dance videos on my YouTube channel, but today I will share my basic warm-up routine which I usually do before start practicing dance, and I guess it's the best way to avoid any kind of muscle injuries during dancing. So and it's help to you to make your body so light so that you can easily dance. So let's get into the video first. Make sure you have one shoulder gap between your 2 feet. So let's begin with head warm up and down. Now do both sides. Now let's begin with shoulder warm up. Roll it backward first and then forward. Now let's start our hand warm up. Now we will do hand rolling backward and then forward. Now one of my favorite workout. Now we will do forward, backward and side bending. So let's take a short break and chill. Okay, let's begin again with leg warm-ups. Now we will do both side dosing.
very much relaxing exercise, which is butterfly. Okay, so at last we are done.
So thank you so much for watching this video. If you love this video, then make sure you do like, share and comment. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that if I upload any new video, you will get the notification. So that is all for today, but I promise you, yeah, I am little bit exhausted, but still okay. So but I promise you that I will be come back soon, actually very soon, with a different type of video. It will be a unique video, I promise. So stay tuned until then. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep smiling. Bye.